Okay, you're going to remove the top hinge, then remove the freezer door, remove the middle hinge, and remove the refrigerator door, then remove the bottom hinge. Swap sides on the bottom hinge. Apply the bottom hinge to the opposite side of the refrigerator. And apply the hardware at the bottom of the door to the opposite side of the door. And again at the top. Install the hinge in the middle of the refrigerator. Now moving on to the freezer door. Swap the bottom hinge to the opposite side, then apply the top hinge. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. And look, the refrigerator door opens up into the kitchen, not against the wall.